To fix photos taken with the camera, save as HEIC file or high efficiency image container file on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You have to turn off high efficiency pictures option on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under picture section, tap advanced pictures option and then tap the blue on off switch next to high efficiency pictures until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Take a picture and then tap the picture thumbnail to open the photo on Gallery app. Swipe up the photo to see its detail. As you can see, now the photo you took with the camera is saved as JPG file. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.